Hi, Nicola Cairncross here, and I'm still at the top of Bar 360, but I thought I'd change the view around a little bit for you, give you a bit of scenery. And today I want to talk about how you're going to win. So this isn't so much about thinking about your competitors or thinking about other people in the space. It's just thinking about the secret superpowers that you've got that other people might not have. The things the things you know how to do, the things you can share. For example, some of my superpowers are I'm quite good at coming up with concepts for training programs and breaking it down into simple steps. I'm also not bad at talking to camera, so I do a weekly V-zine, and that really goes out over everywhere online, and it really helps people to get to know me on all the different platforms. I'm not bad at public speaking, which means I'm not scared to go and do it, so I do. And I get in front of crowds of 500 people at the last speaking gig. I'm also really good at learning things fast, so that's one of my secret superpowers, because I can learn how to use a new platform like chatbots, for example, or things like live broadcast platforms, and then I can share that with my members in Clicks and Leads Academy. So think about what your secret superpowers are and how they're going to help your business to win. Because if you can share what you know, or what you know how to do best, or what you're quite good at with your clients and your customers, then they're going to thank you for it, and it's going to be a really nice way to attract people to your business. I hope this tip helps. It's one of a series and we're sort of halfway through now, so go back and look at the earlier tips and look forward to the future tips, and I'll keep the scenery changing as we go. If you want to find out more about working with me, come to clicksandleadsacademy.com anytime you like. See you on the next tip.